All right, this is my 2023 Model Y long-range all-wheel drive. This should be the same process for all Model Ys, but we're changing the air filters. Pick these up from Tesla. Note the arrow orientation. The arrows are going to point towards the cabin of the car. So we're going to get these pulled out, replace these. It's been about 2 years, 25,000 miles, and they're due for replacement. We're just going to scoot our seat all the way back, remove the floor mats. This is on the passenger side. We got to remove this top panel here. To be able to remove this panel, the filters are right back behind this panel in the passenger footwell area. So it's going to get a flathead screwdriver and pop out. There's four little pop rivets. You just pop this down, you pull it out, pull down the middle piece, and then you can kind of wiggle it out, and the whole piece comes down. So get all four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a couple electrical connectors. You can push down the little tab here and pull this out. I ended up just taking the one for the light out and then just scooting it to the side. I left the speaker connector still in. Gonna have to pull a little hard on this. I did use a screwdriver right here to kind of pry this panel back here. I'm just pulling back on these tabs here. Just gonna move my hand along here. All right, this part's kind of tough. You can see on the panel here, there's a couple here on the bottom that are kind of tough to get out. That clip stayed in there. So you kind of have to get your hand underneath there, pull down here and pull on all of these clips here. We're gonna get that out of the way. So we want to take off the panel here, the back one here that's got like a cover on it here. It's a 6mm bolt. It also looks like there's a Torx bit on it, a pretty small Torx bit. So I'm just gonna use a little 6mm socket to get that off. All right, with the screw removed, we can now pull the panel off, and that exposes the old ones here. We're just gonna basically grab them. These ones are still the factory ones, the original ones. We'll replace it with this. So you just grab them by the side here and pull that out. This one we can use the tab to lift up. You can see how the arrow is pointing to the back of the car, towards the cabin of the car. That's how we want to reorient them. All right, the new ones. It helps to have these more flexible ones. You can get the ones that are like rigid. They're harder to put in. This one goes in really easily. Arrow pointing forward so that this one drops to the bottom. Just make sure we'll just tuck that tab down like that. Put the second one on top. I'm just gonna tuck the tab. See, I'll tuck the tab down on the top. Okay, now we're just gonna put the cover back on, screw back on, panels on, and we're good to go for another couple years. T20 Torx bit. So if you have a T20 Torx bit or 6mm socket, once you get done replacing the filter, come into the service screen right here. So go to service, go to maintenance, and then cabin air filter. There's kind of a time frame here, so I can just go to arrow, and I'm confirming the reset there. So this is going to kind of tell you all of your maintenance things, when to do them, when you did them last, kind of a good way to keep track of those things. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, see you in the next one. Thanks.